I have a question for you and put it in the comments down below. When you get a milkshake with a piece of cheesecake or a cupcake or a Pop-Tart or anything through it, where exactly do you put the straw? Do you shove it through the cheesecake? Do you shove it in the back and it kind of pushes the cheesecake forward? Where's the straw go?
Look where we are. And we're not Gatlinburg. We're not in Charlotte. We're in
Myrtle Beach. And this, the Crazy Mason, has gotten a lot of exposure. A lot of people are talking about the crazy milkshakes that are coming out of there. So we have to stop and go in and check it out
for ourselves.
So let's get ready to go on this crazy milkshake adventure that rocks. If you're curious where the GPS takes you, if you're in the right location, yes, it's directly inside that bowling alley. So let's follow Sandy inside the milkshake bar.
Number 91.
Obviously with names like Top of the Morning and Dashing Through the Dough, but you really want to know what you're getting. So just ask them for a menu. They've got all the names front and back with all the ice cream and ingredients that come in each one.
Pigeon Forge, or I should say Gatlinburg opening.
Yep. Yeah, that one we have Charlotte opening up.
We have one in Charlotte too.
Are you guys familiar with the area?
We live in Charlotte.
Oh, yep, we have one opening up in Charlotte. I'm thinking like June.
No way.
Yeah, so we have one in Charlotte for you guys.
That was so good. And look at all these people. When we first got here, there weren't that many people, and it's like exploded, and every single person seems to have a different milkshake.
It filled fast. They even, yes, have children's size milkshakes. And we just saw one and it's adorable. Sandy even took a photo of it. And I'm sure it's going to be posted all over our Instagram. So be sure to follow that as well. But yeah, the milkshakes here, definitely worth coming in for and checking out.
We got a souvenir.
If you haven't hit that like and subscribe button yet, what are you waiting for? Because you never know where we're going to end up next. Look, before we go, this place even has a zombie pirate mini golf.
And it has black lights.
So you know we're going to come back soon and check that out. Make sure to make each and every day, including those filled with some crazy milkshakes, an adventure that rocks. No Valentines, but no mail either. We don't have a post office or mailbox yet to accept mail, but you can always email us at adventuresthatrock@gmail.com. Or when you're watching this video, put it in the comments down below if you want to ask us questions or send us on a favorite adventure you would like to see us go to soon.